Hey guys, I have my Hunter Victorian. This fin is white without a light kit on a very long down rod, and it's very clean, as you can see. I got this fin for $8,000. Works really well. It has a big K55 in there, Emerson K55, and it's controlled by a remote control. Let's start it off on low. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it in forward for you guys. I'm gonna put it on speed 6 now. Alright, now speed Victorian. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video of my Hampton Bay Genoa.